While the Gulf Coast has its hands full with cleanup efforts from Ida, emergency crews in the Memphis area also bracing for the heavy rain, remnants of what a hurricane can bring. Brittany Moncrief spoke with MLGW about what the utility is doing to prepare.
A state of uncertainty as the effects of Hurricane Ida makes its way inland.
Until we get hit, we won't know what will be hit.
Here in the Mid-South, Memphis Light, Gas, and Water and the City of Memphis Public Works Department are bracing for the worst.
We don't know, number one, if we're going to get, how hard we're going to get hit, but we will be prepared.
MLGW's Gale Jones Carson says crews have been on standby.
What we have is 20 crews. We have 52 contract tree trimming crews, and we have 6 outside crews.
On the public works side, Director Robert Connect says crews will work 24/7, rotating shifts.
We have a list of prioritized locations across the city. The city is large. We have about 40,000 approximately drainage inlets in the streets that help remove the stormwater from the street. Some of them are problematic. They're in low-lying areas.
This area at Union Avenue and Parkway is one of about 30 locations considered hotspots for drain issues and flooding. Crews have already been to areas like this to clear debris from the roads and drains.
We'll start responding to flooding calls. Citizens can help us by removing any debris or contacting 311. Never drive through standing water because you never know how deep it is. Turn around, don't drown.
Please do not go near any lines that are down. They need to call MLGW as soon as possible.
In the event you lose power,
they should have bottled water, canned and packaged foods that don't require heating, battery-operated flashlights, radio, and alarm clock.
As far as sending crews to the Gulf Coast to help with hurricane relief, MLGW said they'll first see how big the impact is here in case all crews are needed before sending any crews south. In Midtown, I'm Brittany Moncrief reporting.